there! Didn't see you guys over here. Anyway, this week, I will be documenting the entire hectic process of moving in during a global pandemic. Not only that, I hope that this video can serve as a guidance for students facing similar situation as myself. So in preparation for this video, I basically asked you guys on Instagram, on Facebook, as well as did some research on YouTube myself. So whatever items that I'll be getting over here will be heavily influenced by Pinterest. All these inspirations I'll be posting around this area. Okay, for those who are new to this channel, hi, I'm Ned. And I'll be moving to Yale-NUS, which is a 4-year residential college. And I'll be staying throughout the entire 4 years in school. Without further ado, let's go! So what I have over here is actually your shoe organizers. It is a good item. I'm not sure whether I will be getting it right now because I know that my room is very small. But you'll be most probably bring a lot of shoes for different occasions. We have your sport shoes, we have your walking shoes, as well as some slippers for the common toilet because you do not want to be stepping in those bacteria-filled toilet floors. So that is why you do not just immediately get the first item you see, because over here, like just a few meters away, I found this shoe box. I'm gonna get this instead of the shoe rack is because it's a lot more modular. I can easily store my individual shoes in these boxes and afterwards shove them under my bed. And I know some of you guys are asking me, where is the exercise video? And I know that I'm a studio that prides myself in location-specific fitness videos. However, okay, with gyms being opened up in Singapore now, because now we're in phase what? Phase 2? Phase 2. Yeah, so right now we're in phase 2, so gyms are slowly being opened up. And I feel that the general public is less interested or less invested in home-based workouts, which is something that I pride myself in. That is why I have not been posting as regularly as I should. But if you guys do want it, please leave me a feedback, comment down below, and I'll read it. We are in one of the most important sections of college essentials is getting your pillow, choosing the right pillow, getting yourself a blanket. For me, I'm gonna get a decorative pillow as well because I'm trying to make my room my studio as well. At IKEA, we have a range of pillows from all the way as cheap as $4 all the way to up $59, which provides better support for your neck. Guys, this is super interesting. They provide a guide on what this pillow is suitable for. So on the topic of support, I would like to give a shout out to my #1 fan, Ray. Okay, Ray is basically her cousin.
Yeah, so he's my cousin and he's 13 years old.
And he has a tech channel, so I'm gonna link his channel down below. Because according to him, we are a union, but we're just peers, alright? We're just helping each other out. And I thank you so much for taking the initiative to give me a shout out on your channel. Back to the regular programming. Another college essential is getting a mug or a lunch box. Okay, these mugs will be a good study companion. It will be able to keep your cold drinks cool and your hot drinks hot. So be it your coffee or Milo, man.
No,
great study
cannot.
Great study companion regardless. Jerry, I have a challenge for you.
Yeah?
If you're able to balance that over there for 10 seconds, I'll get it.
Yes?
Yes. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're getting it!
Hey guys, so one thing you should really invest in is organizers like this right behind me. We have your desk organizers as well as your wardrobe organizers. So I have bought myself a set of organizers over here. It's 1990, okay, provides me different sizes for different users and it's really aesthetic. It's like a dark grey clear container, so you can put your sachets of coffee, tea, okay, you can even put your pen and organize your desk as well. Okay, hey everyone, so right now we are at the IKEA cafeteria. So Jericho, why don't you share with them what food options you can actually find at the IKEA cafeteria?
There's salmon, there's meatballs, chicken wings, and there's also a seasonal special, the lobster, like half a lobster with a side of laksa spaghetti. So
in the end, we have gotten some chicken wings over here. We have pasta with 5 meatballs. We also have salmon.
Salmon's fine.
Yep, and we also have some Swedish dessert. You want to share what Swedish dessert?
Yeah, we got this marzipan, this pink marzipan with a little Swedish flag on top, and also a Dane cake, which is my personal favorite. So you're not gonna have any of that.
So why we are not opting for the iconic Swedish meatballs that IKEA is known for is because both Jericho and I used to be from Meridian Junior College, which is just a little away from IKEA, and every time they used to have $2 promos for a shit ton of meatball, and we had our fair share during our time at MJ.
We've had a lot of meatballs. I ordered the salmon. I'm gonna have a bite of it now. I'm actually really disappointed because I love eating fish, I love eating salmon, but this is so thin. I don't think you can call it a slice. Anyway.
1 hour later.
Right. It tastes a bit rubbery, but it's definitely really soft. And I like how the sauce goes together with the salmon. It goes really well. The sauce tastes a bit creamy, a bit like a zesty, lemony hollandaise sauce, the kinds of sauce that you find on like an eggs Benedict. A bit like that. And I think it goes really well with the salmon. It gets a bit of a creamy flavor.
Okay, now we're gonna go on to our main course, the pasta with the 5-piece meatball. We already know the meatball. Let's taste it, whether it's changed.
3 hours later.
Still really amazing. Swedish meatballs. Hardly go wrong with that. Next is the pasta with the cheese, shredded cheese.
Much later.
The sauce, actually the sauce is an improvement in the sauce, I'm not gonna lie over here. The sauce used to be a lot watery, now it's got a bit more thicker. It's sour, less sweet and salty. Personally, I prefer my sauce a bit salty, but overall I say it's pretty good. Yeah, there's actually an improvement from last time. Alright, so right now I'm gonna dig into my dessert. Right I have over here is the marzipan.
I feel like there's something pulling us apart.
Oh, that's a lot. It's really true. If you are familiar with choco pie, there's this layer of cake followed by cream, and then it's layered everything with fondant. It's very sweet. I consider myself a sweet tooth, but this is a bit too much for me. Alright, so we are about done with our meal. So we went ahead and get some drinks because we are a bit thirsty. What we have over here is apple, raspberry and apple. Just gonna drink the apple and raspberry because right now the beverage machine is not operating. Hey everyone, so that concludes our video for this week. We have gotten all of our college essentials right here. Now we are gonna take the cat back because all of this stuff is way too much for us to take the bus. So if you guys do find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is gonna be one of the first few college videos that I will be filming for this year and subsequent years in fact. Thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you guys in the next one.